Okay, welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we are celebrating a very small milestone, 500 subscribers to Mike's Man Cave. Very happy about this. I specifically made this video to thank all my subscribers for believing in me and subscribing to my channel. Whether you subscribe for my barbecue content, technical reviews, Nerf guns, Nerf blasters, or whatever else might interest you. This is history being made because this is my very first vlog that I've ever recorded and that I will be publishing once I reach 500 subscribers, which obviously is today because you're watching this video. If you're watching the video a little bit later on, well, maybe we've gone past 500 subscribers. What I'd like everyone to do now is give this video the thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Now, after you've done that, leave a comment down below saying what you like or dislike about my channel. You can comment on what you'd like to see in the future. If there's any specific barbecue related questions you have, please ask below. If you've got any Ford Falcon related questions, especially relating to older 70s model Falcons, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and ask those questions. I've got a large knowledge base on these particular cars. I've been owning, driving and restoring those cars since about the mid-80s. So, and I've been doing so continuously since then. So I do know quite a bit about these vehicles. So don't be scared to leave a comment. If there's anything you want me to cover in the future, leave a comment down below. Okay, now that we've covered that, again, I'd like to thank all my current subscribers and those new on board. And as you realise, this is my first vlog, and there will be a weekly vlog starting from today. Okay, we will be releasing, or I will be releasing a new vlog every Sunday. So this might cover anything from what's happened during the week, trips I've been on, maybe current affairs, possibly barbecue related current affairs, political correctness, the world going crazy, the media, etc, etc. Okay, there's no limits to what these blogs or vlogs will be all about, and they will be released every Sunday. So keep an eye out for my future vlogs, released every Sunday from now on, till further notice. This being the first vlog, it's just going to be an introduction to what's going to be happening. It might not be really interesting to some people, but let's just look at some of the topics that we'll be covering in the future. We'll be looking at obviously barbecuing, and in particular charcoal barbecuing, and even more in particular Weber barbecues. Okay, if you're a follower of my channel, you already know I'm a big fan of Weber barbecues, and I use them religiously, and I've got a whole collection of these barbecues, both gas and charcoal. Other stuff we'll be doing is drone or quadcopter related videos. As you can see in my channel, if you've already been following it, okay, I've been releasing some videos relating to that. And we're also looking at expanding further into fishing. I haven't had a lot of time to do fishing because I've got an acreage property which has taken up a lot of my time in the last 12 months. So fishing and other hobbies have taken a bit of a back step, and also my car restoration side of things have taken a bit of a back step, and I'm about to get back into it as time becomes more freely available. So we'll be also looking at some gym stuff. As you may or may not be aware, I'm a big fan of working out at home. I've spent quite a large amount of money building a home gym on my property, and again you can see that in one of my other videos, and very shortly there'll be an update video coming out in relation to my home gym. And at that stage we may also be looking at some training tips and stuff like that. I have been training for a long time, on and off, and I have quite a reasonable knowledge base on fitness and gym related topics as well. These are all hobbies of mine, and I do invest quite a bit of time, money and effort in researching my hobbies and knowing what I'm doing rather than wasting my time. Another thing I'd like to mention now, if you're not already aware, we've got further channels, YouTube channels. My daughter, who's nearly 15 now, she's 14, she has her own YouTube channel. It's called Jessie Jordan, and it has a lot of horse training videos as well as gardening and growing vegetables, etc, etc. So please check out her channel. I'll put a link down below, and maybe if you feel inclined, subscribe to her channel. It will greatly help her out. She hasn't got many subscribers yet, and she does put in a lot of effort into producing those videos and releasing them on YouTube, and I somehow feel she hasn't been getting the recognition that she deserves in these videos. My wife's also got a channel which is growing quite fast, and it's Live It Like Lisa, and again I'll be putting a link down below in the description box to her channel for those people that may be interested in home decor and stuff like that. Now her channel is growing by about 5 to 10 subscribers a day currently, and it's outgrowing my channel quite substantially, so maybe she needs to give me a plug instead of the other way around. She's got more subscribers than me, but then again, you know, we all work as a family. That's the plan anyway. There's no competition involved here. But come on guys, let's subscribe so we can beat my wife's channel. I need more subscribers than what she has. Again, there's no competition. But all jokes aside, hit the subscribe button. I need those numbers. I need to beat her channel. I need to get more subscribers than what she has. It's very important to my self-esteem. At the end of this vlog, I'll be posting up a couple of clips from the area that I live in, and also just from my surroundings, pets, etc. Okay, if you've lasted this long, thanks for watching, and again please subscribe and comment below, give us a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in my second official vlog next Sunday. And if you've got any stuff you want covered in these vlogs, anything you're interested in, if you've got any video requests, please comment below and I will respond to all comments, and if I've got the ability and time, I will make and respond to video requests, and I will make further videos and post them up on YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching, see you next Sunday. coffee is life.